Hi, I'm Chuck Robbins, Chair and CEO of Cisco. I am sorry not to be able to join all of you in person there today, but I'm excited that Cisco has the opportunity to be a part of LEAP. And I would like to personally thank His Excellency Abdullah Al-Sawaha, Minister of Communications and IT, for inviting us to this unique event. LEAP provides all of us with the opportunity to come together as an industry and talk about how we all can play a part in turning the Kingdom's 2030 vision into reality. As the largest technology market in the Middle East, and with a young, technologically savvy population, Saudi Arabia is well set up to benefit from the digital era. Over the past 2 years, we have seen that the pandemic has accelerated digitization, with so much of what each of us do every day reliant on connectivity. And as companies plan for the future, they want to create trusted hybrid workplaces and collaborative and engaging experiences for everyone. We're also seeing that many companies are increasingly seeking digital and cloud-enabled services to move with greater speed and agility. In fact, a number of critical trends and transitions are converging on this moment. Hybrid work, hybrid cloud, web scale, cloud security, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, 400 gig, full stack observability, IoT, and edge. At Cisco, we're excited about the opportunities that these trends provide as we focus on driving increased digital agility for our customers. And with the depth and breadth of our hardware, software, silicon, and optics solutions, we believe that we have all that is needed to help our customers adopt modern application architectures, shift to hybrid work and hybrid cloud, help secure their enterprise, and help meet their environmental and sustainability goals. Our goal is to consistently focus on our customers' ability to reimagine their applications, to power hybrid work, to secure the enterprise, and transform their underlying infrastructure. To deliver on those priorities, we have driven compelling new innovation, from Cisco Plus and the WebEx Suite to Silicon One and SecureX. This is also just the beginning as we continue to focus on full stack observability, cloud-native technologies, SASE, and many other areas, and deliver more innovation in the months and years to come. All the work we do is guided by our purpose: to power an inclusive future for all. This defines our actions, manifests in our innovation, and guides the way we engage with cities, countries, customers, partners, and governments around the world. Our focus extends from providing technical education through our Networking Academy program to focusing on how we can make a difference in fighting climate change. In fact, we announced last year that Cisco is committing to reach net zero across all scopes of greenhouse gas emissions by 2040, including our products, operations, and supply chain. We also committed to reaching net zero emissions for all of our global Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions by 2025. Through our country digital acceleration program in Saudi Arabia, we have been implementing teleconsultation and telemedicine to serve patients in remote areas, created remote and hybrid learning environments, and used Wi-Fi 6 in our latest networking solutions to help digitize the campus of King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. And as part of our long-term and continued commitment to advancing growth and digital transformation in the Kingdom, I'm also happy to share with you today that Cisco intends to launch a local cloud node with world-class data security and privacy. Cisco has been committed to Saudi Arabia for 25 years, and we are proud to partner with the Kingdom. We're also excited to work with all of you in the goal of building a digital and sustainable future for Saudi Arabia, and we can't wait to see what we can accomplish together. Thank you for your time today, and I hope all of you stay healthy and safe and have a great event.